Hello, my name is Dr. Med, the medical director of the Richards Clinic. I want to explain something to you. I want to talk to you about decision and how it applies in the management of your health condition, with more emphasis on arthritis treatment. Whether a decision is right or wrong depends on how much information you had at hand before taking that decision. When it comes to health issues, you can either be wrong or right based on the decision you have taken. And that is why we lay very much emphasis in what we call informed decision. Informed decision is the type of decision you take after you have gotten full knowledge and information about that health challenge. From my experience in interacting with a whole lot of patients, I have noticed that people have caused more problems for themselves due to wrong decision that is based on wrong information. If you want to obtain the right information, you need to go to the right person. And the right person is the one who is trained and is experienced in that kind of health challenge. For arthritis, you need to meet a doctor who is well trained and have huge experience in the treatment of arthritis. When it comes to health matters, if you listen to someone who is not a medical doctor, know it that you are already in the path of taking wrong decision. People listen to those who market products, those who market supplements, those who market all kinds of drugs. And they buy all these products without asking themselves whether this person marketing all these products is a medical doctor. Is he or she trained in this particular health challenge he or she is selling these products or drugs for? If you have a health challenge, go to the hospital. Not only go to the hospital, try to make an inquiry to meet a doctor who is experienced in that kind of condition. Not only that, when you meet such a doctor, it is your right to ask questions and to receive answers to those questions. Your doctor should be able to explain the disease condition and the treatment he or she wants to apply to you or to that condition in the language you would understand. It is the duty of the doctor to make you to understand that health challenge and to understand everything about that treatment, the benefits and even the complications. All this will guide you to take a decision. When you have gotten this information and knowledge, any decision you take is most likely an informed decision, and the outcome is most likely going to be positive. If the person is not a medical doctor, if the person is not experienced in that health condition, the best he or she can do for you is to refer you to the doctor who is experienced in that condition, and not to sell one product, supplement or drug to you. If you are in the internet searching for drugs to buy, searching for products to buy or supplements to buy, I will advise you not to bother. Not to bother because there is nothing you can buy that can stop arthritis. If you have not gone to the hospital and be treated by a medical doctor who is experienced in the management and treatment of arthritis, you have not started treating arthritis, no matter how much money you have spent. Therefore, the essence of this lecture is to help you to know how to take an informed decision. You need to go to a hospital, you need to meet a doctor, you need to ask the doctor questions and the doctor has the duty to answer your questions in the language you can understand. After that, you can decide to go along with the treatment or not. That decision taken at that point in time, whether to go along with the treatment or not to go along with the treatment, is called an informed decision. Why this is important is, in arthritis, you should not just simply subject yourself to someone to treat you. You should be part of the management of your disease. There is a part you need to play, and there is a part the doctor has to play. Combination of this as a team helps you in the solution you are seeking for. Therefore, you need to understand the illness, understand the treatment, and what the treatment does, and what you would have to experience in the course of the treatment to help you understand the part you need to play. If you can play your part very well, and you have met a doctor who is experienced in this kind of condition and gives you a treatment known as regenerative treatment, if you could start this treatment early enough, which is predicated on you taking a decision, an informed decision early enough in your disease condition, the outcome is usually wonderful. There are those, because of various information they have had from left and right, and they are confused. You don't need to be confused. You are confused because you have not. To help you out of your confusion, I'm laying the steps you need to take in this video. Number one, the right person you need to meet is a medical doctor. That medical doctor, you have to consult him or her in a hospital. That doctor cannot fully educate you on your health condition without running a test. As far as arthritis is concerned, that doctor must ask you to do X-ray, MRI, or CT scan. With these tests, the doctor will have full knowledge of the extent of the disease in your joint. With that, the doctor will be in a better position to give you the full information you need to have. Having been equipped with this full information, you are now in a better position to take an informed or to make an informed decision.